Today we'll be installing RCT wrap and silicone tape. The kit includes all items you will need for installation. The kit also includes detailed instructions. We will use additional silicone tape to hold down the cables without adhesives. Cut a 6-inch section of tape. Cut the strip in half horizontally. Remove plastic backing. Put the cable in place and wrap silicone tape fully around itself. Cut any excess length. The RCT wrap is designed with opposing bevels. For the right side, you will wrap the bar clockwise following the bevel. Hold RCT wrap at the end of bar, leaving inside bevel outside of the front edge of bar. Make sure the first wrap layers fully over itself. You can pull the wrap tighter for a thinner wrap or use less tension for a thicker wrap. Work your way up the bar following the bevel for a flat wrap. Under the hood, place the hood piece included in your kit for extra padding. Hold the hood piece with one hand and wrap a figure 8 over the piece with the wrap. This will hold the hood piece in place. Continue wrapping the bar following the bevel. To finish, cut your wrap at an angle for a flat edge. Use your finishing tape included to hold the wrap in place. Remove plastic backing. Wrap the silicone tape with a portion on the wrap and a portion on the bar. Trim at an angle for a flat edge. Insert bar plug included. Repeat on the other side counterclockwise.